So over here you can see that I got a group of layers right here. So inside the group here you can see that there's two shapes. So if I were to go around and click and drag, then you can see that the group is moved out. So what you can do around over here is ungroup out the shapes as well. And to do that, you can right click on the group and then simply click on ungroup layers, as you can see, just like this, and they get ungrouped just like that. So another thing that you may want to do is duplicate out layers as well. So in that case, what you can do is you can go around onto the layer that you want to duplicate, right click around over here and then click on duplicate layer right here. Once you do that, over here you can see that it prompts you to name the duplicate layer. So I'm just going to go around and say duplicate layer right here and press OK. And what happens is that the layer is duplicated, as you can see. Another way to duplicate out layer is to select a layer, hold Alt on your keyboard, and then click and drag out the shape right here. And just like this, you can see that you can create duplicates and it renames out the duplicated layer but on its own. So what you can do is you can go around over here and name it later on according to how you like. And that is how you can ungroup and duplicate layers inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.